Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: how did Chuck Lane know that the National Assembly of Hackers conference did not take when Gilas had said the building was closed on Sunday? The building was booked by another group. The building had been demolished prior to the date of the conference. The building never existed. The correct answer of the question: Chuck Lane discovered that the National Assembly of Hackers conference did not take place because the building here Glass claimed the conference occurred had been demolished prior to the date of the conference. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.